Welcome to Bauna's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making cheesy chili garlic breadsticks pizza. So let's get started. The very first step is to prepare the dough. In the bowl of a stand mixer, combine all-purpose flour, salt, sugar, Italian seasoning mix or simply garlic will do. If desired, throw in some red pepper flakes. I am using Rapid Rise Active Dry Yeast, so I add straight in with all the ingredients. Mix all dry ingredients really well. Now add oil. I like to add generous amount of oil as I like my pizza crust a little crunchy. Add warm water. It is very important to add warm water, which is at about 100 degrees Fahrenheit to bloom and multiply the yeast well. Initially, I'm going to add 2 cups of water and mix. Then place the bowl under the mixer and start kneading the dough in a rhythmic manner for 8 to 10 minutes until the dough is smooth and elastic. You may need to add in a little bit more or less flour and water, but the key is to remember that the dough will still be sticky and will stick to your fingers when you try to pull it apart, so it shouldn't be hard. Alright, so the dough is ready. Grease a bowl, then place the dough back into the bowl. Turn the dough to coat it in oil. Cover the bowl with a plastic wrap or a towel and let the dough rise at room temperature until doubled, about 1 hour. Punch down the dough. After your dough doubles, gently punch it down, literally, so that the gases are released from the dough. Usually 2 to 3 gentle punches are enough to degas the dough and knead the dough gently. I prefer to prepare the dough ahead of time, and once the dough is well fermented, refrigerate or freeze and use anytime needed. Alright, so here I have the dough after the second rise. Here is how it looks like, and I'm going to punch down the dough again and knead slightly. It's time to get the rolling board and pin. Get some dry flour on to the rolling board and knead the dough till it gets nice and smooth. This recipe gives 3 pounds of dough, so I'm going to divide into 1 pound each. For the garlic breadsticks, I'm just going to use 1 ball and press it down to expand or spread, or you can simply roll. Initially, I just try to spread with my hands, and then eventually I start rolling with the rolling pin. Now here I have the cake tin. Apply generous amount of oil to get the fried kind of crust. Transfer the rolled dough onto the baking tray. Now if desired, cover the rolled pizza dough and allow it to rise again if you have some time. Next, let's make the garlic butter spread. Take the room temperature softened butter, salt it. Here I have garlic, shred or chop garlic very fine. Sometimes I use raw garlic, and sometimes I love to use roasted garlic for making cheesy chili garlic breadsticks. Mix it really well. And if desired, melt slightly just to defrost a little bit, and it will be nice and pliable butter, garlic butter like this. I'm going to go ahead and preheat the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And let me show you the dough. You can see that it has risen a little bit again, and I prefer to allow them to rest a little bit once I roll them. Here I have the butter, here I have cheese. Spread the butter on the base. The oven is ready as well. Spread cheese if desired, or you can just bake garlic stick without any cheese. But I'm making cheesy garlic sticks. Just press the cheese a little bit inside. And ready to go into the oven. Cut however you like, and the cheesy chili garlic bread sticks are ready to serve. Serve with marinara sauce. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. You can also visit my website bhavanaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Pinterest. Bhavana's Kitchen is everywhere. You can download Bhavana's Kitchen apps for totally free on your iOS, Android and many other mobile devices. You can watch me on a big TV screen using Roku, Amazon Fire, just the YouTube app itself. If you have a smart TV. Thanks for watching and see you soon.